some fuel up here. So now I'm going to plug this back into the engine. I got a fuel leak in the back, so I got to check that out. Alright, let's see what happens. Alright, well, at least I know I got gas. I got a leak. Oh, still here, gas. I guess I should turn that off. Another gas leak I gotta fix. Oh, I got 2 gas leaks. Dang, I'm leaking. Alright, well, I'll just come out here another day. It's getting dark and I'm getting tired. Alright, so it's the next day. So I took out the coil pack and I got water in there. Very nice, right? No, not really. I got water in that cylinder. I got water in that cylinder. The other ones look alright. I guess it's from the leak in the roof. This thing is giving out. Live a long life, but they don't last forever. It's just a tarp. I guess I'll vacuum that crap out. Yeah. Alright, so you take this cas out of that and then you spin it. And then you hear the coils. I don't hear the injectors though. I hear this guy. Alright, so I'm clearly not getting fuel. So, alright. So, I took the fuel rail off. So now I'm going to test the injectors individually. I got my fuel line still hooked up. So I'm going to put pressure to that with the key in the on. And then I'm going to put power to that. So at least I know that they're working. That way I know it's something with the ECU not firing them. So I got my 9-volt. I'm going to use my 9-volt to power each injector. Let's see if they shoot. So, so much stuff in here. Alright. So, looks like they shoot out, but this one looks like it's broken right there. They all look terrible. That one shoots, but the tip looks broken right here. This one doesn't look like it's shooting anything. It looks like it's stuck. And that one shoots right there. I don't know if it's enough fuel though. I'm trying to figure out if I should get some new ones or not. Not sure if they're shooting enough pressure, if they're clogged up or not. So I'm going to do some research. Or just buy all new injectors. I'd be better off just buying all new ones. See what that does. But, okay. I'm going to end it for today, finally. That was like 6 months later And this is like over a span of 4 days or something crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a day and do some research and see what I can come up with. Alright, I know I ended the video, but I went ahead and cleaned the injectors. So, time to test and see if this thing will work. They will shoot out a little better. Alright, let's do some work. Alright. Looks like they're shooting out a lot now. Shooting out all over the dang place. Alright. Cool. I like what I see so far. Let's look for the last one. Let's point this bottom one down. Try that one more time. See if that last one shoots out. Maybe it shot out so high that I missed the thing. Alright, yes, it did shoot. Alright, so you know the injectors are in working conditions, so I'm trying to put it all back together and see it. That'll get it to start up. Alright, got everything put back together. I seriously need y'all to pray for me. Oh, let's get this thing started. Alrighty. Trying to. It's trying to start. I don't have my gas pedal hooked up. Come on. Alright. What's that all about? Starts then dies. Do I need the throttle open or what? What is going on? Alright, I grounded the fuel pump ECU wire. Come on, baby. Fire it up. Come on. Come on, girl, what's wrong? Come on, girl. she started. Sweet. I turned it off because I gotta get a cable. Oh man, it's smoky. Whew. Alright. Well, I got it started, y'all. And it's smoky. Good. Look. No exhaust. Alright. Now I gotta get my throttle cable situated. Alright, I'm in this video here. Whew. Smoky. But I'm excited, it works. I don't know how good it works, but I'm so excited. Finally, after years. Alright guys, remember, like, subscribe, comment, you know the deal. We got this thing started, so at least. So, alright. Oh man, so much smoke, so much excitement. Alright, bye.